Now the last time I gamed with a wireless mouse was my trusty G602 from Logitech. It was large, heavy, had way too many buttons, and I loved it. Honestly, I would still be using it today if I hadn't lost the dongle. But I've spent the last few weeks getting cozy with the Razer Viper Ultimate, and I got a few thoughts. Let's see what's good. One of the most popular gaming mice released last year was the Razer Viper Ultimate, a lightweight, wireless, ambidextrous mouse looking to give you that ultimate performance with that Razer swag we've all become so accustomed to. Quick note, this is the original non-8000Hz version. Let me know in the comments if you want me to check that out. Out of the box, it comes in at 126.8mm in length, 57.6mm in width, and 37.8mm in height. Now I didn't weigh it myself, but it's listed at 74 grams. And though it's heavier than my wired mice, in the hand it feels light but quality. The optical Razer switches are pretty fast. I didn't notice any extra play or anything that would stand out as a whack build in my usage. There are buttons on both sides. If you have big, meaty paws like your boy, I would suggest going into the app and turning those off. But we can get into the app a little more later. Now, like I said, I haven't used a wireless gaming mouse since I lost the specialized dongle that came with this classic here. Now, the Viper Ultimate comes with a charging dock that comes equipped to house the dongle, but you can also use it plugged directly into your PC. Now, at $150, at least that was the price a few weeks ago, make sure you check the links in the description for the most current, up-to-date pricing. They claim 70 hours of continuous use off of one full charge. Honestly, with as hectic as it's been around here the last few weeks, I haven't used it for more than a few hours at a time. But when it's not in use, I leave it on the dock because it kind of just sits there like, what? You know you like it. When it comes to RGB, the mouse and dock both have LED lights that work with Razer Synapse. So if you have any other Razer devices, it's easy to go into Chroma Studio and sync those up. For me, I actually think it looks slick with no lights on it to add to this minimalistic stealth vibe. But you can change it up how you like it. But let's roll it back a little bit and focus on just gaming. Honestly, when it comes to the new mice released over the last few years, I believe with the brand new sensors and lightweight styles that they all function essentially about the same. I think the main factor just comes down to how it feels in your hand. I mainly use the Viper Ultimate with a hybrid palm grip with some fingertip action and was able to easily line up shots, track, and snap into kills. It's not the largest device, and for someone with big hands, it can take a minute to find a grip that is suitable. Also, I'm realizing that at the end of the day, I prefer ergonomic grip over ambidextrous. Model D wireless. But with extended play, you'll get used to it and fall into a nice groove. The PTFE feet work phenomenally well on even my cheapest desk mat, and even going raw with no pad at all, I was able to maintain a positive KD. When it comes to gaming, once you master a comfortable grip, you'll have very little to worry about. I noticed little to no lag using it wireless compared to a wired option, and overall I would suggest this to anyone in the esports and FPS games.
Stupid.
Now when it comes to the software, if you have any experience with Razer Synapse, then you'll be right at home. You can easily go in, change buttons, adjust macros. For me, I went in and turned the buttons on the right side of the mouse off as I felt like I was easily hitting those in matches. Then I set a custom key for the left side button that I use system wide. But overall, you could go in and change the look, and when you put the mouse on the dock, the lighting syncs up to let you know that it's charging. To wrap it up, if you've made it this far and you're still somewhat hesitant on this mouse, I'd say give it a go, unless that price tag is giving you a little buyer's beware. The good thing about it is that there are different versions that all function the same and fit into different budgets. In fact, the new 8K wired version is nearly half the price, and whether or not the tech is actually useful, that's still a win for your pockets. As for your boy, I really think I want to go back to a wireless mouse full time on my desktop. I'm not really trying to create the most minimalistic style, but I do like having one less wire while I game because I usually have way too much stuff on my desk. So if you got any options or suggestions, let me know down in the comments. In fact, what mouse are you currently using? I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holla at your boy.